In this video, we will first see the meaning of sine. If you place a point on a circle, project it to the horizontal line, then connect the point to the center, you obtain a right triangle. If you measure the height and the radius, calculate the ratio of the two. Then as you slide the point along the circle, the ratios will appear periodic. If you plot them, you will have the wavy shape. The ratio doesn't change whether the triangle is bigger or smaller. What matters is the angle theta that's facing the height. So we give this ratio a name, sine theta, meaning it's the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Notice that these are the definitions of sine and cosine. So to determine those ratios, it seems that you will have to carry out actual measurements, measuring the length and the angles, meaning that you will get your hands dirty. It's tedious and also inaccurate. Getting hands dirty is never the spirit of math. Remember we said the spirit of math is about thinking of doing rather than actually doing. That's why derivation plays a crucial role in math. In the next lecture, we will see how geometrical reasoning is first used to derive these ratios for some very special angles.